How are you, everyone? I'm Jimmy in Cortex RT Division. Today, I'm very glad to share with you about automatic molding simulation and the data management for IC packaging industry in iSLM platform. And okay, this is the outline of today's topic. We will have 4 sections. The first one, at the beginning, we will share with us current Moldex3D IC packaging simulation workflow, and I think all of you should very familiar with this field. And the second section is about we call it automated simulation workflow for the IC packaging analysis. The third section is about the solution management of iSLM data platform, and the last one is the extension of the iSLM cloud service. Okay, the current approach for IC packaging simulation workflow. This is the current workflow for IC packaging simulation, and generally people have to do the mesh preparation. Generally, it is we use Rhino to did mesh preparation for the simulation, and then after mesh prepared, people can create the project and create the job analysis in Moldex3D project by Moldex3D project or Moldex3D Studio platform. And after the simulation finished, people will use our visualization platform like project or studio to see the simulation result. And the following are detailed steps, each steps. The first one is the first step is mesh preparation, and generally customer will use Moldex3D mesh as the tool to create the mesh for IC packaging. And at the beginning, people have to import some files, maybe DXF files for 2D layout, or maybe 3D solid modeling files. And then people have to do the surface mesh and the solid mesh and some attribute assign or boundary condition assignment, and then export the mesh file as MFPSD files.